I have seen a lot of peace starting to bloom on our ways here.
On January 24th, 2026, the Walk for Peace will arrive in Raleigh, a city shaped by history, community, and the quiet strength of people who walk together. As the Walk for Peace enters this new chapter, let us gather with open hearts and steady steps, ready to continue a journey that has carried loving kindness, compassion, and peace across states, cities, and towns. We begin here at the Greg Poole Jr. All Faiths Chapel, a place built on the belief that every tradition, every background, and every person has a place. It is a fitting starting point for today's walk, because this journey has never belonged to one group or one voice. It has always been a shared path, a path shaped by everyone who joins, even for a single step. From the chapel, we walk together toward the North Carolina state capitol. Each step is simple but meaningful. We walk not to make demands, not to divide, but to bring presence. A reminder that peace is something we practice with our bodies, our breath, and our willingness to walk beside one another. The Capitol has stood in Raleigh since 1840, built of local granite and designed in the Greek Revival style. For nearly 2 centuries, it has been a witness to North Carolina's story, its challenges, its growth, and its transformation. It has seen moments of hardship and moments of hope. It has watched the state rebuild, learn, and rise again. Today, we approach this historic place not as a political act, but as a human one. We come with calm steps and peaceful hearts, adding one more chapter to the long history of people gathering on these grounds. When we arrive at the Capitol, we bring no slogans, no arguments, no divisions. We bring presence. We bring unity. We bring the simple truth that peace is still possible when people choose to walk together. The Capitol grounds have long been a place for remembrance, celebration, and community. Today, we honor that tradition by standing here in silence, in gratitude, and in shared humanity. As we complete this chapter of the journey, may we carry the spirit of Raleigh with us, a city of diversity, education, and innovation. A city where people from many backgrounds live, work, and dream together. Thank you to everyone who joined today. Thank you to those who walked before and those who will walk ahead. May our steps remain steady. May our hearts remain open. And may peace follow us wherever we go.
From the chapel where the quiet gathers, we lift our hearts and start to move as one. Every step a gentle vow we carry, every breath a promise just begun. And the road opens wide like a hand reaching out. In the stillness we find what this journey's about. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your footsteps meet the ground. To the Capitol we're rising, where our calm becomes a sound. In the heart of Carolina, peace is something we can choose. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Every step a light we use. Through the trees the old stone waits in silence, holding stories of the ones who came before. Now we chapter made of kindness as we gather at its open door. And the city leans in as our voices grow clear. Not a protest, not a cry, just a presence drawing near. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your footsteps meet the ground. To the Capitol we're rising, where our calm becomes a sound. In the heart of Carolina, peace is something we can choose. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Every step a light we distance, soft as morning, strong as truth. Every mile becomes a message. Peace begins with me and you. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your spirit find its place. At the Capitol we gather with a quiet, steady grace. In the heart of Carolina, hope is something we renew. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Peace is walking here with you.